Welcome! Today we dive into the world of multivitamins, specifically Surbex Z, a popular supplement known for boosting overall health. Transitioning to the price, Surbex Z sits comfortably in the mid-range category. It's neither too expensive nor too cheap, striking a balance between affordability and quality. You can easily find it in most pharmacies or online. Moving on to the dosage and uses, Surbex Z is typically taken once a day, or as directed by a healthcare professional. It's a multivitamin, packed with various essential vitamins and minerals. Its primary role is to supplement your diet, addressing nutritional deficiencies and supporting overall health. However, like all things, Surbex Z has its drawbacks. While generally safe, some users may experience minor side effects such as stomach upset. It's always recommended that certain groups, like pregnant women or people with specific health conditions, consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Next, we tackle the topic of toxicity. While Surbex Z is generally safe when taken at the recommended dosage, consuming excessive amounts can lead to toxicity. In the context of vitamins and minerals, toxicity refers to the harmful effects that can occur when these substances are consumed in excessively high amounts. That's why it's crucial to stick to the recommended dosage. To wrap things up, Surbex Z is a reasonably priced, beneficial multivitamin supplement. However, it's not without its potential disadvantages and risks. Always remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen and do your own research. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of Surbex Z. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe and share. Remember, your health is personal. Always seek professional advice.